Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can list ourselves on Google Maps. So let's see an example first. So once we go on Google, like we saw in the previous videos as well, that we get to see the listings on places as well over here. So what is the first step is that we need to be listed on Google Maps. So let's look at that, how we can do that. For that, we'll have to go to Google Business Profile website. This is the website, guys, where you're going to sign up and open an account, and you will provide your business physical address over here. Once you provide that, Google will send you a particular OTP in mail, in physical mail, which you will have to accept, and then you can verify your business listing. So that way, your account, your business gets listed on Google Maps. So once your business is listed on Google Maps, the second part is going to be where we're going to see how we can come up on the results pages out here. So usually when you look at the particular listing, there is a particular central area where most of the listings are, you can see on the maps in this particular manner. So the idea is the first which we can try to do is maybe we can be listed near this area, so which can really help in getting a better SEO ranking. Okay. The second thing which you can do is try to get a lot of reviews. Okay. A positive reviews which you can get from genuine reviews from your customers. So like here, you can share these with your clients and ask them after giving your service, you can ask them to provide you a Google review. So once they provide a Google review, a positive Google review, that can contribute to your overall ranking. And this would really help in bringing your listing on top of the page. Our idea is to come up in the first three rankings in the Google Maps Places segment. If you're able to come in the first three segments, then that gives you a lot of visibility in the first search page itself. So when people search, they would be able to see your listing over here and they can reach out to you very quickly. So this is going to be the process, guys, how we can list ourselves on Google Maps and then try to get a better listing on it so that people can reach out to us for our services. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how you can do this. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.